What would you do if you discover a critical bug a day before the game's release? Immediately escalate the issue to the project manager or relevant stakeholders. Provide a detailed report with reproduction steps and impact assessment. Work with the development team to assess the possibility of a quick fix. If unresolved, suggest postponing the release or implementing a temporary workaround. What are some key metrics for measuring the quality of a mobile game? Crash rate and stability, average FPS and performance benchmarks, retention rate and player session duration, user feedback and app store ratings, load times for assets, levels, and startup, average FPS, frames per second, and performance benchmarks. Definition: FPS measures how smoothly the game renders on the screen, while performance benchmarks evaluate resource usage like CPU, memory, and battery. Importance: poor FPS can result in laggy or unresponsive gameplay, reducing player satisfaction. How to measure: use performance monitoring tools like GameBench or Unity Profiler. Aim for consistent FPS across devices, especially for action-heavy or graphics-intensive games. Analyze memory usage and optimize for resource-constrained devices. Retention rate and player sessions durations. Definition: retention rate, the percentage of players who return to the game after an initial session, e.g., day 1, day 7, day 30 retention. Player session duration, the average time spent in the game during a session. Importance: retention indicates player engagement, while longer session durations suggest enjoyable gameplay. How to measure: use analytics tools like Mixpanel, Unity Analytics, or Firebase. Analyze retention trends to identify drop-off points and improve user engagement strategies. What would